What's up, Health Bees? Welcome back to another vlog episode for today. And for today, we're gonna be doing an unboxing for two items. The first one is a Nike Dunk Low. Nike Dunk Low. So sa daming in-order natin, di ko na alam kung ano yung dumating. Anyway, yun, dumating na yung na-expect natin delivery from Nike Park, ang Nike Dunk Low. Pero bago yan, sinigurado ko munang gawin to. Alright mga ka-Help Bees, tuturuan ko kayo paano kayo makabili ng sapatos na hindi kayo masasaktan ng mga jowa nyo. G. Una, magbayad ka ng Converge. A. Siguraduhin mo nakapag-grocery ka na lahat ng pangangailangan sa bahay para walang problema. G. Siguraduhin mong nagbayad ka na rin ng Meralco para di kayo maputulan ng kuryente. And fourth one is O. Magbayad ka rin ng Maynilad. So natandaan nyo, G. Converge, A. Grocery, G. Meralco, and O. Maynilad. So tandaan nyo yun ha, G-A-G-O, gago, bayad muna.
Gago!
So sa daming in-order natin, di ko na alam kung ano yung dumating. Anyway, meron din tayo nga bagong product sa Murahan tayo. But we're gonna be doing this on a separate vlog. And let's go ahead and vlog first the Nike Dunk Low. So, yep. Guys, alam nyo naman, ECQ tayo ngayon. Kaya, tipid-tipid. Buti na lang, naka-order pa tayo para ECQ. Dumating. So, in-expect ko lang delivery kanina, Chowking. Sumabay ito. Sakto. Uy, may dinner na ako, guys! Nike Dunk Low! Yun, no? Teka, saan natin to? Buksan na natin tong Nike Dunk Low. This came in today, actually. Delivery was from, I believe, Nike Park. Yep. Ano ba to? Mulo ng box nila, parang walang gitling dito, meron. So, the item is double box. Hirap ng unboxing nito Bakit tayo bumukas? Ano bang ginawa dyan? Yun. Wala naka-clip ko. Ano yung tatumaan? Ang ng tanga. Ang bato. Kasi yung isa ko pala, hindi ko binubuksan. Siya nga rin natural, masikip pa yun dahil ito pabubuksan yung other side of the box. And this one as well. Epic pill. Nasugatan para sa tanga ko ito. Mabuksan. Sa akin ko na kaya itong box na ito po. Mabuksan. Saan na yung pitch nito? Hindi ko daw dinidiin. Gigil na nga ako Guys, epic fail dito pa lang. Ilang oras na tayo nagbubukas na ito.
Gago!
Ay, naku, nawasak na.
Oh my God! Wow!
Katar-katar pa tayo, no? Yun! Tabi mo natin to, baka masugat tayo sa cutter. So, yan. Ito na, may OR. So, this is the Nike Dunk Low retro men's shoe, black white, men's white black, size 10. The shoe price is 5,095 plus delivery of 200 pesos. So yan, yan natin. Taba? Okay. So, tignan natin ito dyan. Okay. Yep. And let's go ahead and look at the main box. It's actually double box. So, this is the main box. Tignan naman natin to. So, yun! Kita nyo guys, it's size 10. Nike Dunk Low. And buksan na natin. Patatagalin to. Uy! Yun o. Ah. So, this is actually just my third dunks. Actually, hindi third. For this year, it's second. Last year, I bought the Chunky Donkey. And now let's go ahead and talk about this pair. It's a clean pair, guys. Let me I'm gonna show you some close-up videos later, but for today, let me just talk about this pair. So it's a nice pair of Nike Dunks. If you're gonna be comparing the materials, it is not that premium. Kaya nga siguro 5,095 lang siya. Pero just the same, see, something on here. It is a nice pair of dunks. And as mentioned during my Nike Dunk High Orange Blaze vlog, these pairs are basically the same patterns with Jordan 1. Sabay din sila ni-release ng year. Kaya hindi talaga nagkakalayo. Konting-konting diferensya lang. So, yep, I will show you a close-up picture here. So, the sole has the Nike Dunk on it. And the tongue is Nike. Nike only, not Nike Dunk. And the back tab also has the Nike logo, swish on both sides. It's a nice pair, and this is a size 10. I actually have two pairs, and the other one is not yet here. It's gonna be going to be flipped to a friend or a ninja. So yeah, tabi muna natin to. So just a quick vlog, guys. I'm gonna be showing you some close-up videos so that for future references, if you want to make legit checks on Nike Dunk Lows. So this is a legit one, size 10. It's my size. Ito na ba yung dinner ko? Ito daw yung dinner ko. Sarap. So guys, watch out for the next vlog. Yung unboxing ng other product, X-Seater. But for this one, stay tuned. I'm gonna show you some close-up videos so you can appreciate more this Nike Dunk Low black and white. Black and white, black and white, black and white. Alright.